Good evening. Let's make today's update for the video portfolio, which is allowed to have just 5 holdings, and I'm fully invested now with 99.96% of equity and just almost no cash. I'm fully invested. I have ACH, INSW, EDAC, SIF and MCZ. And I have 3 wins so far. ACH is the star of this small portfolio here with a 14.6% gain, rising about 9.6% today. Curiously, this is also the largest cap stock in the portfolio with almost 18 billion market cap. All others are small caps. And the portfolio is up 2% today and up 3.35% so far since inception, which was about 1 week ago or so. And I still haven't made any trade or closed positions, 0 trades. I'm expecting these 5 stocks to rise some more. And this is our daily chart. We had an initial dip here, but we're now at an all-time high. And this is the intraday chart. Let's make a brief review through these 5 stocks charts. I made a brief analysis, a brief update on them, on their respective threads. But let's check their charts. You can see ACH is at an all-time high today. After the company said it was not buying Peru copper, it was instead making a deal with another Chinese aluminium company, 80% owned by the Chinese government, the Chinese state, and this means there will be an asset infusion in ACH, and probably revenues and profits will increase. And this means the company probably will have a production of aluminium almost or maybe even higher than Alcoa, and its market cap is just about half. So it's very obvious that the stock is very undervalued, and my valuation model says the optimal selling price is more than $50. So I expect it to continue rising after this gap to a new all-time high. As for INSW, well, this is a very liquid stock, very small cap, just $30 million. And it just had its first ever profitable quarter. That's why we had this huge jump here with very high volume of almost 3 million shares. And I expect this quarter not to be a standalone quarter, but the beginning of a new trend to profitability. And this being an online insurance marketplace, I believe it may have a fat net profit margin, and with revenues growing. This quarter was also the highest in revenue terms for the past 6 years. But you can read about it in this stocks thread. I've written an update today. So let's move on. EDAC, here we have it. Well, the trend is certainly bullish, and I expect the stock after this brief consolidation period to make another bull run, because fundamentals say it is worth more than $15, so it's doing nothing here around 8-9. As for SIF, well, I didn't have time to make a good update on it today, but you have ample justification on this stocks thread, and it is reacting well to the $17 support. Perhaps it will continue to consolidate as it waits for the 50 days moving average to touch the price, as it has been rising. Maybe 1 month from now we'll have another bull run, perhaps towards $25 or so. As for MCZ, well, the stock has been in this consolidation period with very high volume. I really enjoyed first quarter results. The company showed another profit after great Q4 2006 earnings. Well, I'm talking calendar because in fiscal terms the year ended here. And I truly enjoyed the results. The company earned 7 cents per share in fiscal 2007. but I expect net profit margin to expand a bit and this company to be very profitable going forward, as you can read on the stocks thread. Well, we're trading here in a tight range between $1.12 and $1.45, but I expect a bullish breakout of this $1.45. I see it above 2. That's where the value is, so the stock must go there, I believe, if I'm right. So this was today's update. I'll make another one tomorrow. So thank you and see you tomorrow. Bye.